What secrets are hidden within the Pyramids of Giza? Beyond their iconic exteriors, these ancient wonders house mysterious chambers and passageways whose true purposes are still debated. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery each spark theories. Were they tombs, spiritual gateways, or even cosmic alignments? Recent discoveries, like hidden voids detected by modern scanning technologies, suggest there's still more to uncover. The pyramids remain an enigma, keeping the secrets of their construction and purpose buried within their timeless stones. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.